I ain't heard too much about these them. Okay. Taking it out. Alright. So off the back, we got a really weak filling box. It's a punctured hole in the box. In my Nike box. The size is 10.5. Alright, I'm a little bit worried just because the box is ugly as fuck. Like, okay. Anyway, here we are. It's just a little packing slip. Ta-da. Alright. Yo, dripping, dripping, dripping. Hey. Yo, check these mugs out, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, these is hard. Look at the sole, make sure ain't nobody stepping. This is from Stadium Goods. This mug beautiful, I ain't gonna lie, these hoes go. Bro, these hoes go. I ain't even gonna fake it. Hey, these are nice, y'all. Alright, alright. These hoes go, bro. These hoes is mean as fuck. Damn. Alright, here go the next one. Check you out. Make sure everything's legit. Oh, I'm about to say, what was that? I see a little speck, but it came off. Gotta really inspect it. Yo, like I said, these are some Air Max, man, and bro, they're dripping. They're freaking literally dripping, man. And of course, it makes sense. It's the Dripp unboxing, so I'm unboxing real Dripp today. Like, yo, this shit go, bro. These hoes go. I'm not gonna fake it. These hoes go. These hoes go. Yeah.